What's up guys, this is Tampatec. I hope everyone's doing well during these crazy times. I'm going to show you how to make your own home air purifier. So if someone in your house is sick, or you just want an air purifier in your house so you don't have any germs in the house that are floating around, or if someone is sick in your house and you don't want to spread the germs to other people or other rooms, this is a good solution. This air purifier is a little bit more special than the homemade air purifier because it has an activated carbon filter. It works a little bit better where it can detect the air quality in the room and then adjust accordingly. So if the air quality is bad, it'll turn on high mode, and if the air quality is good, then it'll turn to low speed. This one I reviewed a few months back. I'll leave a link in the video description below if you're interested in this particular air purifier. And this one's easy to just remove the filter right here, and then there's another filter right here. This is the carbon activated filter. It has a little bit more gadgets. So this one is a little bit more advanced, and it does have that sensor that detects the air quality in your room. But using a household fan and a household air filter like this one, you can make your own air filter that you want to pick up. You want it to have these features: protect against pollen, dust, lint, dust mites, pet dander, mold, bacteria, and virus carriers. All right, I have one already out of the package. Now what you want to look at is the airflow arrow. You want to face that toward the back of the fan. A simple solution, nothing too fancy. So you want to put it flush to the bottom, just like that. And you may want to actually cut the top, or you could just leave it hanging up like that and then flip it after it gets dirty. And then you want to cover the sides. And you want to seal up the gaps on the sides. Just flip it up. Yeah. Here we go. And just flip it up. And there you have it. This is a homemade air purifier. Now if the switch is in the back of the fan and the air filter is blocking the switch, what you could do is plug the fan into a surge protector and use the switch on the surge protector, or just plug it into an outlet that is controlled by a switch on the wall. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up, and if you know anyone that this video will help, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe, hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos.